Okay, guys, I'm back with a really quick video. I just want to let you guys know to please stay tuned for this review. Like I said in my last video, if you haven't watched my review on this product, I need you to, you can finish watching this video, but go ahead and click on this. I'll try to put it up in the card so you'll be able to just click on that video. First, I'm going to be reviewing these products. These are from the Cashmere and Caviar collection by Curls. First of all, I'm going to say these products are really expensive. So, being on a budget, I decided, hey, let me get the products that I would use the most and that I really want to know about, and then we'll just go from there. So, I had 3 products, but I was just like, this right here was $40. So, this one is the Cashmere and Caviar hair mask. I'm sorry. This is supposed to, let's see. I had the thing. It's a luxurious hair mask infused with cashmere and caviar extract, antioxidants, and vitamins to strengthen and smooth your hair. It also helps repair any scalp damage and promotes faster hair growth and, of course, a healthier scalp. So, I'm definitely excited for this because, first of all, bleached hair, and I love, what is it, hair mask. It smells really good. It smells like lotion. And it's really, really thick, which I already like. So, can't wait to use this, which I'm using on my next wash day. And then I got the Cashmere and Caviar Hair Silk, which is the leave-in conditioner. So, it's for tightly coiled tresses, melt like butter, and detangle with ease with this luxurious leave-in conditioner used on wet or dry hair. So, I'm definitely using this, and I'm going to do 2 separate videos on these just to give them their own little spotlight. So if you've tried these products or are wanting to try these products, please feel free to comment below. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I will see you guys for my next review. And have a good one. And don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. And yeah, that's it. Okay, bye.